I don't see anything. I think we're just getting the extension cord and getting out of here. Is Menards like our Ollie's? No, it's Menards with a M. Menards sounds like a good name too, though. I'm not sure what Ollie's is. Menards is like Home Depot. They kind of got everything. They got patio furniture. They got a little bit of like groceries. They have a lawn center, a garden center. Actually, there is a tool I need from the garden center. That would make my life a lot easier. Maybe we'll go check that real quick too. Isn't Ollie like a dog thing or a pet thing or something? Yeah, it's like a home improvement store. It's like Home Depot. You guys have Home Depot, right? Everyone's got that, I think. There's a little bird here. I don't know what to do about that. What are you supposed to do if there's a bird on the ground? Do you pick it up? Should I pick it up and put it somewhere? What do you guys think? I kind of feel real bad about it. I don't really want to leave it there. This is like what I need, something like this. Who get a cap gun? I don't know if they have cap guns here. A bulk discount store? Oh yeah, that sounds like Costco or like Sam's Club or something. Yeah, this isn't that kind of store. But we are looking for a spade. Can you guys hear me okay? Is the volume okay? Ooh, this is it. Turf edger. This is the sort of tool I need. Man, we're gonna be spending a lot of money today. It's like a fucking $100 or something. If he gets a cap gun, Dad, I want a Barbie. No cap gun. I mean, they do actually sell cap guns here. They do actually sell Barbies too. They have toys. You guys think I should save this bird? There's a bird here, and it's injured. Should I save it? I'm thinking about getting a bag and putting it in a bag and bringing it home. Yeah, it's alive. Yeah. It just looks injured or something. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. That's the bird. We gotta find it. We gotta put it in something where no one's gonna see it. You know? Like a box. empty box. Okay, go. Okay, we got the bird. Bird acquired. Alright, dude, we're gonna get you out of here. We're gonna get you out of here, dude. Operation Save This Bird is what I have to do today. Oh, look at this. Was that Sidetrack I saw? Is Sidetrack in here? Whoa, $14.99. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Dude, this other thing was like 30 bucks. Let's go. What a deal. That's fucking really happy. I'm really happy about that. Alright. I don't know anything about helping birds though. Do you guys? Yeah, that's a nice savings. It was 35 bucks. We're saving like $20. Maybe the shorter one is even better. Cause I don't need one super long. Good guy Toby put stuff back. I always put stuff back. My first job was at a grocery store. I worked there for like 2 years. And it was miserable having to put stuff back all the time. So now I always do it. Pablum for it to eat and seeds. They need a splint. Bring it to a vet. I don't think the vet's gonna care. You think this bird is old enough to eat seed? I don't know what's going on with it. Alright, well this is the mulch I need. I don't have my chat anymore. There we go. Oh, it is full grown? Well, if it's full grown, then we're good to go, I think. Oops. You'll need some. What's pablum? Applying to a lot of office jobs today. Gotta get out of Meyer before the stress goes. Oh wow, you're gonna switch jobs? I always wondered if you were gonna switch jobs. Could be a good choice. I mean, the nice thing about Meyer is that it's pretty safe, but it sounds like you don't really care for it too much, though, right? Soft baby food. It comes in a box. You make it with milk or water. Pablum. Where would they sell pablum? I never heard of that. Would they sell it at a pet store? A grocery store? Oh, it's like actual baby food. Like human baby food. I never heard of that before. It's an interesting word. I gotta tell you guys, it's really nice not wearing a bandana in front of you. Because this is how I look every day outside of the stream. But boy, is this nice. It's really freeing. I'm really happy to not be wearing it. Hey sir, can I ask you a question real quick? Is it okay if I take some of these empty boxes? Awesome, thank you, man. I appreciate it. There's actually some really nice boxes here we can get. Is the pinging noise your text? Yeah, it's my buddies texting me. We're trying to arrange a day to go out to the range. We're arranging a day to go to the range. That's a mouthful. I gotta sell a bunch of Funko Pops, and I need big boxes for them. These boxes are perfect. I asked the guy if I could take that's okay, right? Okay, awesome, thank you. Oh, really? Hardware and plumbing? Okay. Okay, awesome. Thank you, I appreciate it. Alright, we're headed to hardware and plumbing. Allegedly there's more boxes. We can get all the boxes. Oh yeah, they must have just gotten stuff today because there's boxes everywhere. You save big money. Can you guys hear the song? Bake up, what's up, dude? What's up, homie? That's not furry, it says fury. These must be the empty boxes. Are these empty boxes?
Yeah.
I was sent over here to try and find some. Is it okay if I yank some off of you?
Which one would you like? Both or?
Yeah, like this box is like perfect. I know it's kind of a weird. I appreciate it, man. Actually, let's go see if there's any more boxes. Should close the box up and shroud the bird from the light. It'll calm it down. Yeah, it is. I got it darkened. I put the box in another box, so there's like a very little light. Just a little bit of light. They might actually sell baby food here. I'm gonna check here for baby food. Maybe not. It's probably the wrong place to get baby food. I think we're gonna have to go to Target. You guys are going on an adventure with me today, and I'm honestly loving it. It feels good to get out of that studio too. It's hot in there. Should I get seeds? Should I get seeds and the baby food? Oh, bird seed's right here. I was about to ask some guys where bird seed is, and it's right here somewhere. Yeah, I don't know anything about bird care either, honestly. Thistle seed, signature blend. What about crickets? How do you even know about bird law? Yeah, dude, I actually studied bird law for a long time. I'm actually an expert in bird law. Little do you know. Birds blend. What do you guys think of this? Something like this. Insects are good too. Alright, so that bag had a hole in it. That bag had a hole in it, so I'm actually just gonna take some seed and put it in there for now. If it eats it, then I'll come back and get more, but we'll do that for now. I love taking you guys out IRL. I always wanted to be an IRL streamer. Like, some of the IRL streams I've had have been like my favorite streams. I'm actually pretty relaxed right now. I'm feeling pretty good. And I'm excited about this bird chapter now. This will be interesting. Alright, we're going to check out here. more you buy, the more will go to waste. A little bit won't eat more shrimp. Yeah, that's what I figure. But I got crickets and worms at home, so maybe that'll work. It's hot in here. I feel like it's hotter in here than it is outside. I'm sorry, were you waiting on me that whole time? I got a bunch of empty boxes in here and they said that was alright. It's kind of... And then I got two, oh yeah, I'll take a bag actually. Yeah, that's it. Alright, think about you too. He saved the bird and then I lost my phone. The sun is too bright to read that, so I gotta wait till I get to the car. Rough rider. Later, Loopy. I'm on mute. I'm not going anywhere because food's ready. Have a lovely stream. Hey, take it easy, Loopy. Unlock. Way to hide the bird. Cart full of empty boxes. Yeah, I don't know if you guys even saw how many boxes I just scored there. Scored all those boxes, baby. Alright, I'll be back.
Alright, awesome. Thanks, man.
Alright, we're back. Perfect way to hide a bird, a little rough, later loopy. Are we still live? Am I still streaming? I just want to make sure I'm still here. Okay, good. Okay. I don't know if you can see that bird in there. It's kind of dark. But, I mean, I'd be pretty spooked too if I was a bird. Is your nose ring glass? It is, yeah, my nose ring is glass. Boy, is it hot.